Channel V8X presents. Welcome back to Channel V8X, where speed meets style and dreams turn into horsepower. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping machines ever to roll onto four wheels, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron in pure white. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art, a technological masterpiece, and a symbol of ultimate performance wrapped in a stunning white finish that reflects luxury, power, and futuristic elegance. The moment you see the 2026 Bugatti Chiron in white, you know you're looking at something special. The glossy white paint doesn't just make the car look clean and premium, it highlights every curve, every aerodynamic line, and every muscle hidden beneath that sculpted body. In American supercar culture, white has always symbolized prestige and perfection, and on this Chiron, it looks absolutely unstoppable. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the seats, this hypercar carries a monstrous W16 engine that produces mind-bending power. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron is built to dominate highways, tracks, and everything in between. With a top speed that pushes the limits of physics and acceleration that feels like a jet taking off, this white beast is designed for drivers who want the best of the best, no compromises. And let's talk about the price. A machine this advanced doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron in white carries an estimated price of around $3 million to $3.5 million USD, depending on customization. But at that level, you're not just buying a car, you're buying engineering excellence, exclusivity, and a name that defines the hypercar world. Now let's take a moment to admire every stunning angle of this masterpiece. The front view of the 2026 Bugatti Chiron is pure aggression, with its signature horseshoe grille and sharp LED headlights that look ready to slice through the air. The side view shows off the iconic Bugatti C-line, flowing perfectly across the white body and giving the car a sleek, aerodynamic stance. From the back view, those quad exhausts and glowing taillights announce power and dominance, reminding everyone that this is no ordinary car. Step inside, and the dashboard welcomes you with a blend of high-tech digital displays and handcrafted luxury. Everything is designed around the driver, making you feel like you're sitting in the cockpit of a futuristic fighter jet. Move to the engine view, and you'll witness the mechanical heart of this beast, an engineering marvel packed with precision, power, and performance that only Bugatti can deliver. From above, the drone view reveals just how perfectly sculpted the white Chiron really is, with every line serving a purpose in speed and stability. On the highway shot, this hypercar becomes a blur of white lightning, gliding effortlessly as if the road was built just for it. And during the night shot, with city lights reflecting off that glossy white paint, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, bold, elegant, and unstoppable. This is why the 2026 Bugatti Chiron in white isn't just another supercar, it's a statement. It tells the world you demand excellence, you crave performance, and you accept nothing but the top tier of automotive luxury. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the greatest hypercars ever made, make sure you stay tuned, because Channel V8X is always bringing you the most powerful, the most luxurious, and the most exciting rides on the planet. Channel V8X signing off. Stay fast, stay powerful, and we'll see you in the next one. Rock it.